Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Pinterest notification. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up the Pinterest application. Tap on the Save button which is right next to notification icon. Select the setting icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then under your setting option, tap on the notification option. Tap on By Email. And simply tap on Turn off All at the top of your screen. Tap Turn off All once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.